Greetings in the name of Yahuwah and His Son Yahushua HaMashiach. My name is Malak Shalomo, and I'm going to do a trade recap on my trade on MES Futures, ES Futures, mini contracts. The time is 10:44 a.m. It's the 21st of March, 2023. And let's jump into this right here. So let's look at the Camarilla setup. So previous days, Camarilla R3 was approximately 39.68 and S3 was at 39.26, right? So that was Camarilla S3. That was previous days Camarilla R3, right? So today we have Camarilla S3 moving up here, and Camarilla R3 has moved up to this level here, right? So Camarilla R3 is at 4008.25 and Camarilla S3 is at 3957.75, right? So right here, let's see, in the ETH, we opened here with the ETH IB high was at 39.89 and the ETH IB low was at 39.83.75, right? So let's see here, right? So that's the ETH IB low and the ETH IB high, right? So we broke out of the IB high and we pushed up. This is a upper channel from the downtrend that we're experiencing right now. So this is the upper channel, so we're breaking out of that at around, let's see, we broke out around 5:15 this morning in the ETH, and we ran up, we broke above Camarilla R3 at 6:25 this morning. So I was looking for an early retest. Let's see, what time was the open here, around 9:30. So I was looking for a pullback to retest this Camarilla R3 level like it is right now for like a buy. And I saw that price was it was pushing up to Camarilla R4. So I was thinking to myself, okay, same thing like yesterday on one of my trades. I thought to myself, I think it was ES as well, let me ride this this rejection from Camarilla R4 back to Camarilla R3 and then get the push up, right? And then just reverse the position. So I was trying to see if we get up to this level here, Camarilla R4, and maybe get a pullback to this 38% fib level and maybe then go, or get all the way down to Camarilla R3 and push up, right? So right now we have the initial balance high is set over here at 4031.75. Initial balance low is at 4008.50. So let's see here, let me just take these off, make this a little bigger. Right, so we have like a kind of double top going on right here. So let me just go to, let's see, am I in? Right, so let's look at the trades I took on NinjaTrader here. So first I went short here at 4023, which is, let's see here, 4023. Right, so just above this monthly level here at around, let's see what time I took this trade. At approximately 10:05, right? And I actually stopped out when it reversed here at 40.21.50. So let's see here. 10:05. Right, so on this reversal here from Camarilla R4, I missed the entry up here or at 40.32. So basically taking this breakdown here at 40.23, and then it pulled back on me right around here, pulled back on me and 10.10. So let's see here, let me just make sure. Yeah, so at 10.10 it pulled back on me, so I stopped out in profit from, let's see, 40.23.25, stopped out at 40.21.50, right? So looking again here for another retest up here at 40.26.25, and then when it broke down again, entered at 40.23 again, added to the position here at 40.20, and got down here, took some partials at 40.14, right? So last entry was 40.20, first entry was 40.23, right? So entered two positions here at 40.20. So let's see, let me go over to bookmap, check this out here. Alright, so I actually bought some more RAM, but the RAM was the wrong one, so I had to send it back, and I'm waiting on another RAM disk to arrive. So you gotta bear with me as this stuff shuffles around kind of slow while I have OBS Studio open. So let's see, 10.12, 10.12 at 40.23. Let me try and find that. So you can see we're topping out here on the ES at around 40.31.25, started to break down, had a retest at 40.28.75, another retest at 40.27. Then we broke down here of this POC level, retested it at 40.23, right? So got this push back up here, that stopped me out, and then I was back in the trade around 10.12 at 40.23, right? So this breakdown here again, entered short, and then entered another two shorts added to the position here at 40.20 at 10.15. So let's see, 40.20, 10.15. Right, so the breakdown of this level right here, 40.20, entered another position right here and rode this down. This is the break of overnight high. All right, at 40.20 here, breaking down overnight high and just moving down nicely. And let's see here, first partial was at 40.14 at what time? 10.17. Come on, move. Right, so at this level right here, took my first partial. This is a moving POC here around this level where we came down to test this level here. So at this this point of control, it moves around, right? So in the ETH, this was down here at one point, right? So this is where high volume is. So you can see actually we came back to this let me just try and highlight that a little bit. Right, so you can see it lines up with this moving POC right here. So every time it comes down to a certain level, I just mark it off, right? So I took a profit right there at that M POC, at 4014, right? Let's see here. Let's see where we got this kind of reversal. Because I ended up stop out on my position at 1018 at 4017, and there was the stop out right there, right? So trying to have good risk management, and as it pulled back, which actually is not a reversal, but just looking at the structure here, come on, move. Right, so let me open it up a little bit. Right, so looking at it from this perspective, right, if it's coming into this POC area here and we're getting this kind of breakdown, right, we're getting selling at this level, it's not pushing down further, the selling is drying up, and we're breaking above structure right here, right? Retest the structure. I just ended up stopping out right here because it's looking too much like a reversal pattern, right? So had to stop out there. We broke down now. Current price is at what, 4,009. So we did get further movement from like 4,014. So that's just in hindsight though, you know what I'm saying? So got a nice profit on that as well. Didn't really catch that much points, but it was still good. So let's see, from 4,023 to lowest exit was 4,014. So, you know, roughly 9 points, you know what I'm saying? So it was a cool trade as well, man. It was a cool trade. So this is my 150K account. This is my Apex Trader Funding account. So this is getting me even closer now to getting funded. The target is 9,000. So I'm probably, yesterday I think it was 2,000, but I miscalculated. I think it was 2,500 or 3,000, and now I'm probably 2,500 away from my target. Let me just make sure. Let me check this out here. Yeah, so roughly 2,500 away from my target. So I'm getting there pretty quick, man. I really didn't expect to make these kind of trades on a daily basis like this, you know. So I'm actually approaching my target very quickly. So probably in the next month, because I'm not trying to put no pressure on myself or put a timeline on myself like I'm gonna do it in the next 2 weeks. But if I keep trading like this, right now I'm on a green streak. If I keep trading like this, I'll definitely hit my target sooner than in a month. So I'll be fully funded and ready to go. So if you want to try a Apex Trader Funding account, the link is in the description. You get 50% off with my link, and that's a good deal to get 50% off of anything, you know what I'm saying? So use my link, try and get funded like me, see if you can hit the target. If there's nothing really to lose, you know what I'm saying? You just pay the subscription and you try and get funded for 150K, you know what I'm saying? So why not? You know what I mean? That's what I thought. So this is actually paying off as a real good investment, you know what I'm saying? Because I think I've only been in it for like a month. So I only paid one subscription so far, and I'm almost already at my target. So this is cool, man. All right, y'all. So it's Malak Shalomo, and you all trade safe and stay blessed.